Hello and thank you for accepting my invitation to join my free newsletter. My name is Nestor Pavon and I'm an internet marketer. That's right, I do this full time. That's how I make my living. I want to share with you exactly how I do that through my newsletter. And the way that we're going to do this is that I'm going to present to you a case study. I'm going to select a niche. You will learn how I do that. And then I will test that niche for the possibility of whether or not it's a good niche to market. Now, once we have determined that it is a good niche to market, the next thing that you're going to learn is how to drive traffic to that particular niche. Once you see that traffic is coming, you need to be able to make money out of that traffic. So we'll learn how to do just that. We call this process monetization. Now, once you have learned how to select the niche, how to test that niche, how to bring traffic to that niche, and how to make money from that traffic, then the next thing that you will learn to do is how to duplicate that entire process. That's right. You can take this entire process and duplicate it as many times as you possibly can. In doing so, you're going to earn up with a virtual real estate of websites, and I'm going to show you how to do this totally free. No cost whatsoever from you. That's right. No money spent on domain names, no money spent on web hosting. I will show you how to do that totally free. Now, everything that you will learn in this newsletter is totally free. It won't cost you a dime. Now, I want you to appreciate the fact that this information that you're going to learn would normally cost you more than $500 with some other internet marketers. Just search around. You will find that those online course studies do cost quite a lot of money. So why am I doing this? What's the catch, if you will? Plain and simply, I'm paying it forward. That's right. You heard me correctly. I am paying it forward. You see, I've been blessed with this knowledge, and I am passing it on to you. My hope is that you apply this information that I'm going to give you to improve your financial situation. And once you've learned how to do that, take that and teach it to someone else. That's all I'm asking. Help someone else that normally is not able to help themselves. Now, if you're able to do this, you will be able to move forward, make a lot of money on the internet, and help someone else do the same thing. Now, that's quite rewarding. So, as we move forward, one of the things that I want you to know is that there is absolutely no guarantees whatsoever that you will be able to be as successful or more successful than I've been. Why is that? Well, there's one particular element that I cannot control, and that is your drive to make a positive change in your life. Only you can put a fire under your seat and make things happen. But I will give you the tools, but you have to be willing to use them. So take advantage of this free newsletter and start making money online today. And all you have to do is subscribe to my newsletter. Now, as a show of gratitude for you joining my newsletter, I have available for you my internet marketing technique, one of them in particular, which is called article marketing. That's right. I have put together a 2-volume blueprint on article marketing, which is one of the ways that I drive traffic to my site. Now, there's a lot to learn about article marketing. Where to go to market your articles, how to put your articles together, how to distribute them, etc., etc., etc. All of that information, which normally you would have to spend over $97 to get, is yours totally free. All you have to do is join my newsletter, and as soon as you subscribe to it and confirm your subscription, you will receive a link to download this wonderful article marketing blueprint. Once again, thank you for accepting my invitation to join my free newsletter, and I hope you subscribe, and if you do, I see you on the other side. Take care and have a great day. Bye now.